Hello, everyone. Brian here, co-founder, CEO of Ruli AI. We are an all-in-one legal intelligence platform for in-house counsel teams, and we'll get into a little bit what that means. Yes. Perfect. There's no AI yet for the clicker. Am I doing this right? Click. There we go. So a lot of the inspiration from this is a little bit from my experience, like maybe many tech founders. So my background's computer engineering and also a former attorney, turned product leader at Google and Facebook. The first part of my career was, the typical journey in big law, in-house, a little bit in commercial work, and then pivoted to more, more product management, a lot of in trust, safety, privacy, working on like the first Google Assistant a decade ago, all the way to things like AR glasses and building sort of privacy feature sets for that. And a lot of that experience has helped me realize that, a lot of the problems that we have for when you're a general counsel, it's almost baked into the name, is that like you might have problems around, are we compliant with this new data privacy policy or regulation, but at the same time, you're looking at agreements and you're like, well, have we run into this clause before? Or your business is sending you a message around, can we expand to 5 new markets by the end of year, and how can you help? And so what we do is, most tools have built sort of, point solutions to cover, one of those areas, and what we do is we build really this continuous legal intelligence platform. We like to think of it as an AI teammate that pairs up with your in-house team that understands your risk tolerances. We build like a company profile and tailor the platform to your, to basically how you run your legal team at your company. And so on the left-hand side, you have an AI assistant that thinks like your team. It integrates with your knowledge, but has legal research built in with global coverage, with our own database that we've built. You have contract intelligence where you can ask, tens of thousands of agreements in there, how many times have I agreed to this limitation liability clause, for example. And on the right-hand side, we're built directly into Microsoft Word because attorneys are often in Word negotiating agreements. And we do that automated redline for you, tailored to your playbooks, as well as we have legal research built in. Some of our customers have found that they've gone on this journey of AI skeptic to being an AI guru. One of those examples is like Matic Insurance Services. And they were doing things like tracking 111 deal points manually over hundreds of agreements. They were also burning a lot of money with outside counsel. So we're actually able to kind of solve both those problems for them with our modules, as well as learn new use cases where some of our customers from the research side actually send our research memos out to outside counsel and then say, can you just validate X, Y, Z? And that's then only becomes a few $1,000s as opposed to a $20,000 bill starting point. And we'd love to play a little product demo live for you if I could get some assistance from the back to click the video, or maybe that's this one here, and just show you how it works in action. Would you be able to help run the video in back? Are we good? Are we good? Yes, something's happening. Perfect. Okay, perfect. So we'll run through the research use case first. And so here we're looking at AI legislation over 50 states. You're going to see like a curated web layer as well as our database that we built to get you what our customers describe as great outside counsel style memo. We have citations built in, and when you click on any of those, it takes you to the source paragraph or sections that's relevant in either a web source or a document. We also have this great feature called a business memo feature that some of our customers request us build. It basically takes the legalese out so you can send a memo to your business teams on what really matters. And then this is our contract intelligence feature. You can analyze tens or hundreds of thousands of agreements and get exactly that clause analysis that you're looking for. It takes you down to the actual sentence layer of where we locate that. And last, we have our assistants built into Microsoft Word. Automatically redlines, even generates the attorney comment, which is a crowd favorite for a lot of our users for you if you want to optionally add that in. And you can do structured playbook reviews or free-form editing as well. And we've got a lot more features coming out since we recently raised our seed round, bringing our total funding to $8 million over the course of just over a year. And we're building a lot more to realize that vision of agentic continuous intelligence, where we're working on regulatory monitoring and the impact to your policies and all your agreements as well. So if you're interested, would love for you to come talk to me or my GC John, who's in the room as well. But thank you very much.